Hey everyone, it's Cameron from CET Parts. Just wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a safe New Year, and looking forward to seeing what's in store for the Scott Bonnar community. All the best.
Rusty Inspirations would like to wish you all
a Merry Christmas
and a safe and happy.
Yeah.
Hey legends, Unreal Knobs here. We'd just like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks for the support for the last 12 months. It's been ridiculous, but loved every minute of it. Thanks again. Have a good one.
Hey all, Shane here, Scott Bonnar. Just want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Especially big thanks to the big players out there, George, Moparts Oz, Cam Petrie, CETE Parts, and Michael Ross, VNR. Without you boys, this thing wouldn't be alive. Good on yous. Cheers.
Hey Lordies, Jason here from Old Time Parts. We would just like to thank all our loyal customers for all your support throughout 2021. We want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a happy and prosperous New Year, and we look forward to working with you guys in 2022. Thanks guys, be safe and enjoy the break. See yous.
Glenn here from Scott Bonnar Restorations, wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
G'day Scott Bonnar, Lawnies. Well, it's that time of year again. We get to stop, spend some time with loved ones, and maybe even a sneaky few days in the yard. Thanks for all your support this year. It's been a wonderful year. You guys are awesome. Have a cracking Christmas, and we'll see you in 2022.
Just wanted to wish everyone a very merry holiday season from Michael at Love Larn and
Shane at MMCM. Thank you to everybody. Have a great Christmas. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the new year.
See you in 2022, everybody. Can you believe it? In the future. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Bye.